In this video, we're going to talk about the billboard component in WEAVR. Billboards are used to display floating information in your scene, such as hints, tips, notes, or error messages. They are typically triggered through WEAVR actions, but you can also create and customize your own billboard prefabs directly inside your scene. To get started, you can use the existing billboard prefabs. Go to the WEAVR package, then Essential Assets, then Prefabs, and open the Billboards folder. Here, you will find different types such as Billboard Base, Billboard Error, Billboard Info, and others. You can simply drag and drop one of these prefabs into your scene. If you want to edit a prefab, right-click on the hierarchy, go to Prefab, and select Unpack Completely. This allows you to modify the internal structure, such as the canvas, images, text, and buttons. For example, you can change the title text, adjust fonts, update colors, rearrange buttons, or modify their labels. Now, let's focus on the billboard component itself and its properties. Ignore render depth controls whether the billboard renders on top of all other scene objects. When enabled, the billboard remains visible even if other objects are in front of it. Start point offset and end point offset define the positional offset in 3D space. These values control where the billboard appears relative to its target and where the connecting line begins and ends. Show Connecting Line allows you to display a visual line between the object and the billboard, helping users clearly see what the information refers to. Animate Duration controls how long the billboard animation takes when it appears. By default, billboards animate in with a short fade or pop effect, and this value adjusts that timing. Keep Relative Position keeps the billboard position consistently relative to its target object. Look at Camera ensures the billboard always faces the user's camera, which keeps the text readable from any angle. Pivot Axis specifies the axis used for rotation when aligning to the camera. Dynamic Size allows the billboard to resize automatically based on the user's distance, improving readability. Springy Resize adds a smoother, animated effect when the billboard changes size. Size to Screen Ratio determines how large the billboard appears relative to the screen. World Size Limits define the minimum and maximum world scale, preventing the billboard from becoming too small or too large. Distance Limits set the range within which scaling behavior applies. Fade Distance controls how the billboard fades based on distance from the camera. Later on, when working inside the procedure editor, you can call these custom billboards through actions. If you do not create your own, WEAVR also provides default billboards that work seamlessly. To test your setup, enter play mode and observe how the billboard appears, faces the camera, resizes dynamically, and displays its connecting line according to your configuration.